Hello, and welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited about this video because I'm bringing you something super interesting and genuinely useful. If you are a fintech founder solving revenue accounting related problems, or if you work in the revenue department of a company or a startup, or if you are a consultant dealing with revenue accounting, basically anyone navigating through the complexities of ASC 606, IFRS 15, I think this can be a good starting point. Let me introduce you to Contract Analyzer. It's a simple, practical checklist that helps you navigate through step 1 of the revenue recognition standard, which is identifying the contract. The best part is you don't need ASC 606 expertise to use it. All you need to know is facts about your contract. The questions are in plain, simple English, and as you answer each one of these questions, it guides you towards a conclusion, making the assessment process much more streamlined and structured. So in this video, I will be taking you through some of the cool features and functionalities of the checklist that I have designed. So let's dive in. Now let's talk about accessibility and functionality. You can access Contract Analyzer from both your desktop and your mobile phone. However, the desktop version comes with a few added functionalities like the embedded hyperlink for the 606 guidance and the interactive info button, which makes the experience even more insightful. So how does this checklist actually work? The ground rule is simple. You answer the questions sequentially, and more importantly, you review and understand the conclusion after each question before moving forward. There are a total of 8 questions, but don't worry, just like you see here on the screen, everything does not appear once to overwhelm you. You will only see one question at a time, and when you answer that question, you will see a conclusion based on your answer. So, for example, when we speak about the first question, right? Does the contract fall under any of these guidance? Let's say your contract falls under the lease guidance and you choose the first option, which is 842. The conclusion says this arrangement is outside the scope of ASC 606 and it does not proceed to the next question. However, if you confirm that your contract does not fall under any of the above guidance and choose none of the above option, it says the arrangement is within the scope of ASC 606 and it lets you proceed to the next question or the next steps, where it says, is there an agreement with the customer? Is it written, oral, or is it implied by customary practice? And let's say you choose written, and so on and so forth, right? You see the conclusion here and the next question appears. So at any point, if you're wondering which accounting guidance does this question actually relate to, or if you simply want to learn more about the concept, click on the question mark icon. This opens up additional explanatory guidance for you, right? So you can also see the paragraph reference, what it says, what are the implications, so on and so forth. To close this, you click on the question mark hyperlink again. And there is also an info button to help you understand what criteria will make a contract fall within the purview of step 1 of the revenue recognition standard. So it says select any one of the following that applies, right? And in the next question, it says a contract falls under ASC 606 only if all 3 criteria are met. So let's say you select only one option out of the 3, the conclusion says no contract exists. But if you select all 3, it proceeds to the next question, so on and so forth. I think you get the idea, right? So anyway, that's Contract Analyzer for you. I'm not going to make a lengthy video of all 8 questions. I will let you explore it, use it on your contracts, and let me know if you found it genuinely useful. Also, tell me if you like to see other steps of ASC 606 built out in a similar interactive checklist format. In fact, if you're someone building an AI agent on revenue automation workflow, this can serve as a really solid blueprint showing how complex accounting guidance can be simply translated to decision-based logic. Have fun exploring it. I have shared the link to Contract Analyzer in the description box below. Go check it out, and as always, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.